All right, guys, so we are back. So I had to do a little bit of modification. So this ladder actually does not fit on a Sport Edition, whether it's a 2003 to a 2009. So I did get it to work. So the problem is this bracket right here that's a little bit darker black because I painted it. I actually cut this bracket down on both sides. And it's just this gusseting that I cut. So this gusseting right here. Problem was I couldn't get this side of the spoiler to slide about a 1/4 of an inch down, so about my finger width. Needed to be about here. There's a little plastic piece right here that needs to sits right here. It's a little round plastic piece. The spoiler latches into it, and then you shove the spoiler up and it locks it in, and then there's a bolt that goes at the top on both sides. So this side would latch in just fine, this side would not. And what I had to do is I had to notch this. As you can see, I actually took a notch out. It was actually the shape of this curve on the spoiler. And you can see where I scratched the crap out of the spoiler to get it to get it on and everything. So now there's a little bit of a gap there. You can see light through it. You can fit a wrench in here if need be to get these bolts. So they're the bolt right there. There's 3 of them. There's one there and there's one over here. So there's enough space, but I had to cut this bracket about 5/16 to a little bit over that, maybe a 1/4 inch. It's not perfect, but the ladder is 100% attached. There you go. You can see on this side, I can fit my finger kind of in it. I'm not worried. The spoiler was already scratched the crap anyways, and the clear coat's fading off and peeling off and everything. But I can take this off now. So just wanted to show you guys it is done. So we're looking at the inside. So I actually had to replace these little black bolts go in here, and the issue is I was putting one in, the black one here, it fell, bounced, and I can't find it. So I just went and got, these are M6 by 1.0 thread pitch. These are 1/2 inch length. This one is a little bit, this one's about 1/4 inch length. And what I did is I put 2 stainless steel washers, 1/4 inch washers on them, and I got them mounted up. So that gave the correct amount of spacing. The reason I needed a little bit longer on this side is because that bracket right there comes up under, and it actually has a tang with a hole like I showed you guys at the beginning to allow it to mount. So all I got to do is put the panel up, and that's it. You guys have any questions, let me know.